Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Bitcoin Lounge. Well, all right, volatile trading. That's what we're going to be doing right now. This is your host, Joe Saz, and it's going to be a long show. I plan to be in an open trade, trying to catch as many trades as I can. Right now, I'm building back up, getting my muscle memory back. So yeah, let's just warning you guys, this is going to be on for a little while. So feel free to pop in, pop out. I did an Analytica show just a bit ago in case any of you want the quick market update. So without any more interruption, why don't I get over here to screen share after doing a couple things. Hold on. All right, now I can get to screen share. And let's see how this looks. All right, I got my orders in. It's going to be my laptop I carry around with me because I'm probably going to be in for a while. Probably going to be in active trades, looking for the business for a while. All right, I just switched audio. Going to get my earpiece, do some editing for my YouTube show, make a handful. I'm also smoke a cigar. So I'm here. I'm gonna pull up comments somewhere else. Try to fix a wire here on the sun broke earlier. Yeah, fuck this thing up. You really wanted to play video games? All right, let me pull this up. There it is. All right, well, I'm gonna just be chilling, guys. It's gonna be a long show. Probably, if you want the short one, I put it up already. So I just want you guys to be mindful. This is a commitment right here. Yo, what's up, Mo? Good to see you, brother. Great to see you, actually. Hope all is well with you and family. Stay strong. Putting on my headset here so I can. All right, we got price running away from us a little bit. 3 minutes, good enough. Okay, and let me do some of these edits. Probably I've plugged in the some other shit for my son. Hold on. All right, cool. So I'm pretty much back. I got the mic over my ear. And now I can do my things. Well, we're just going to be trading today, guys. This is the trade life, setting traps and coming back later to check them out. It's a beautiful day. I'll smoke a cigar. It's 11:30 right now. Nice. Excuse me. Feel free to ask anything. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. Sound is good. Thanks, Mo. Uh, Yo, what's up, Barfings? Yo, I feel like it's been a while since I've seen you. Good to see you, Barfings. Hope all is well, my friend. Glad you glad to see you over on this channel. I'm over here editing some shorts for my YouTube show. Oh, for my gotta make YouTube shorts, you guys. It's the way. Do what you gotta do. We do what we gotta do. What's up, Mexican Hasselhoff? I hope more people show up because it's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day, guys. Smoking cigars and watching the trades. And I'm also doing some editing to get I basically just want to be live in case we do catch it. Man, it looks like I missed it just by an inch there. Sucks. I mean, obviously, went lower, then I would be underwater. It's the trader's curse. You know, it's always going to do the thing. It's always going to try to hurt you. It's always going to hurt you. Trading's one heck of a freaking game. That's for damn sure. Tears you apart, chews you up, and spits you out. So obviously, just trying to catch some good moves, see if we can get a little bit more volatility today. We spent a lot of time going sideways all these other days, you know, so I'm hoping we can get some moves up and down, something to catch. Jerseys. Put my phone on a vibrate. And let's see if I can make another YouTube short out of this. I'm still doing yesterday's video. Wish I had really, really good music for my YouTube. Because at least we'd be able to chill and listen to sick beats when it's boring. Hey guys, if you have anything to talk about, throw them in the chat. Otherwise, I'm not going to say shit either. See. Oh, let's see here. Where are the signals? Okay, we got signals right down here. Oh, we have signals overhead, but where the heck did they all go? Yeah, they're all up over there. And you know what? I'm gonna bust a 5 minute chart out. All right, you know what? Let's leave this on the 1 minute for now. We have signals down here in the 29 160 range. So I got a couple and any gold mines you ask. No gold mines. No gold mines. Trust me, I would have been very happy to see that. Okay, we're getting a signal right now. You know what? Do I want a little bit of exposure? Okay, let's see what we get. Oh shit. 29,000. Let's do this amount. Oh shit, 0.01. Let's get this in. I don't need this shit. Oh wow, order was filled right on the dot. Oh, do I take a little bit more? 29. Oh, 50. Oh wait, this is all the way down there on this exchange. 28, 900, 0.01. Oh, what maximum open order quantity? Am I doing yeah, I still need to get used to this, the way that they have leverage. All right, well I'm in and let's see what my liquidation price is. Um 25. Damn, I could have done more for sure. Yeah. Look at that RSI cooked. We got the fill, baby. That's what's up. I'll take it. We got the fill. This thing's gonna bounce for sure. I mean, obviously it'd be hilarious if I get absolutely nuked, but that's one hell of a good trade right there. That's one fucking beautiful catch. Now let's start setting up the exit. It's gonna be 30,000. Let's see, take profit. Okay, take profit. Um, just gonna do this. Take profit 30,000. We going fishing. No, we don't want that. Close price 30. All right, let's see what we can get out of this move. 29,058 is my entry. Oh wow, ripping down again. 28.9. Wow, this is painful. Painful. Who's getting hit? A lot of buyers are stepping up. I'm already in the trade, so I should wait. I'm going to stay on this because exchange data is what matters more anyways. But damn, those are some good wicks down there. Missed it though. Really makes me want to add. I like this trade. Let's look at how the signals are doing. I'm already in. Dual band confluence is still there, but looking a little cooked. Man, this is a good buy. What's up, Pim? I'm just chilling, man. I'm in the long. I am in the long. All right, now I've got to edit this video. Man, the things I'm doing this time around. Not waiting for a gold mine. No, you don't need a gold mine. This is a trade signal. I don't need a gold mine. A gold mine is merely a trend bias. A trade signal is a 1 to 2.5% band. That's a great trade. All right, let's get some subtitles on this. All right, let's put some audio on this. What's up, Ricardo Macedo? I am chilling in a long right now, just watching this price action. It would be cool if I can get out a little lower and then catch this wick again, but let's see what I can do here. We're going to be playing this one piece by piece. This is a good looking day so far. Could be volatile. Okay, climbing back up. Nice. Looks like this trade is near my break even. Probably getting real close. Right around there. We're sitting right on my break even. Sitting right on it. Now just above. You guys feel free to ask any questions you may have. I'm just trading, so you guys, it's on you. I don't really have much commentary here. Just I'm kind of in trade mode and editing some YouTube videos for shorts, uploading those. So yeah, hoping to hear from you guys if you have any questions. Man, I'm tired too. So, all right, well, we're floating just above break even. You know what? I want to probably open up a small short at a full retrace of this move down. 29,400. Let's do that. A little slow. I'm expecting if we get a massive retrace candle, it'll be a little bit accentuated. 29,400, 0.01. Let's get a little bit of action up here. Yeah, that RSI is cooked to shit right now. We's gonna flip around. And what other stuff do I have over here? Doing the last shorts from yesterday's video. Man, I cannot wait to sit outside. After I'm done with these ones, I'm probably going to sit outside. Beautiful day. I love when it just floats right around your break even. How perfect, right? How perfect. All right, edit number 3 for the day. Switch between the two on and off. Got some nice colors down there. So editing shorts. If you guys have anything you want to say, please don't hesitate. Yo, what's up, Mo? Just chilling. Cool. Yeah, I'm just chilling too, man. I wish I had more to talk about. I wish I had more to talk about, man. But I'm just I feel like I wish I had music or something going on, it would just be, I think, a little more pleasant. Maybe I'll have to figure out how to add music to the background that doesn't fuck with the copyright shit and get me busted. Check my phone real quick. All right, got that done. All right. Yep, nothing. Man, we're probably just going real sideways for a while. It's after the Bart Simpson yesterday. I would expect there to be a Bart Simpson today. Hopefully we get it. Wow, so much music is fucking loud. Holy shit, man. Comes on strong. Subtitles. All right. Now that's going to take a sec to do the subtitles. Let's take a look at the chart. All right. Nice little candle up in the green. Oh, no, don't go red. Damn, this is tight. 0.25% candle. I think it's a 0.06 maker taker fee. 0.06 maker, 0.202 maker. So I think I'm probably near break even or just slightly above. If I exit a portion, if I exit a portion, if I exit a small portion, but let's let this thing ride up back to a full retrace. Let's see what we can get. A little full retrace and change, and then start to do more. Oh shit. Fuck. Come on, let's see what we get here. See if the signals are being consistent. Yeah, still consistent. Mexican Hasselhoff, what do you think about about using other analyst perspective as indicators? Yeah, there are some that have been spot on since the bottom. Yeah, like basically if you only have 5 indicators on a chart, then only listen to probably have 2 or 3 indicators and listen to 2 or 3 people. That's probably the most sense I could make out of that Mexican Hasselhoff. There are good analysts out there. 100% agree with you. So I can't I can't knock it, it makes a lot of sense. But just be mindful, paralysis by analysis. It's real, it hits, people freeze, people panic, it's nasty. That's my only advice there. Um, who else is really good? Do I know him? Ah, fuck you. Mexican Hasselhoff. I was, dude, when I first saw that, I was like, no way, dude. I just cannot believe I saw that name. Oh, you got me, man. Oh, you got me. Willie Woo is such a fucking loser. I shouldn't hate too much because I'm trying to be a better person these days, but I've never seen anyone so consistently wrong ever in my whole life. Absolutely no one has ever been that bad in my whole experience of seeing and shaking hand. I mean, dude, I've met people that had to go back to work at McDonald's, you know. I've shaken I can't say I've shaken their hands, but I've spoken to a lot of people online, made a lot of friends on Telegram, spoken to them about, how, oh yeah, they're telling me they got this trade and they got this system and it works so well and this and that. And and then 3 months later, I'm talking to them and they're like, yeah, I got to go back to work. Things didn't work out. Chart fucked me. Whatever the case was, it's not like people were absolute haters. It's just, look, charts fucking send you back to McDonald's sometimes. And Willy Woo is a really unique example of being sent back to McDonald's, sending people back to McDonald's, but somehow being protected himself because he's always been using other people's money when he did it. So really big fucking problem, man. I really don't like Willy Woo. He's been probably the most consistently incorrect person that I've seen, other than CNBC. His on-chain analysis is complete garbage as a single indicator to base your buying and selling decisions on. It literally means absolutely nothing. It fucking tells you if Bitcoin is moving on the chain. It's fucking worthless information. I cannot believe, and this is why, in my eyes, there are different levels of scammer. Because I don't think he was actually trying to scam people. I think he was a scammer because he was delusional. Not he was a scammer because he wanted to push his delusional something that he knew was bad and push it on you. You get what I'm saying? There's a difference to me between a delusional scammer and an insidious scammer. And Willy Woo was a delusional one. He made the same mistakes way too many times, got back on the horse with the same fucking gear, and then made the same mistakes. Complete fucking amateur. I mean, it's less than amateur. The only thing he has is vocabulary, and for some reason, the respect of the people that he's fucking liquidated massively. All right. Um, Now on to Ricardo Macedo. Do you feel some whales are buying or selling at some levels? Well, are they at play right now? I don't know. Let me really take a look at this. I'm just finishing up unloading another short, and then it is time for me to do I gotta download today's episode now and then do that one. Live today's Analytica. Hold on, what? It was 15 seconds? Hold on, what? Oh my goodness, man. Today's Analytica didn't work? You gotta be kidding me. This is fucked. How in the fuck does this shit fuck up so much? There's something weird about this. How in the fuck is there only a 16-second episode, dude? These fucking things are such pieces of shit sometimes. 15 fucking seconds, piece of fucking shits. Damn it. Well, no Analytica show. Motherfuckers. Pieces of shit. Are whales buying and selling this? Well, we saw this candle sell off. I would say it looked pretty normal. I don't think it makes sense, but it looked a little more normal than a massive wick down. 29.3 to 28. Yeah, over the course of 3 or 4 minutes. I mean, I think whales are accumulating. I don't think they're doing much else than that. I think anyone trying to shake the market's got to be an idiot. Anyone trying to sell right now is an absolute fool. Nothing else makes sense to me. Like honestly, nothing else makes sense. I can't believe I lost that whole fucking Analytica show this morning. What trash fucking shit. All right, well, that's time to smoke a cigar, I guess. I'm gonna take a little bite. I have some hamburger from yesterday. I'm gonna eat something. I don't see any new comments. We're climbing back up the ladder. Let's keep going. Yo, what's up, Gary? Good to see you, man. I'm trading. I'm doing a bunch of shit and eating. I'm moving. So question was, what do I think we're going up to today? I think we can go, I think we're in a channel now. And the volatility is looking pretty decent. It's mostly been to the downside. But I hope we can channel between here and 30,000. I do have some orders to, like, I have the order to close my full position at 30, and I have a couple positions to close at full retrace and change, which has been pretty common lately. So I am definitely in. I've been holding this long too long. What was your entry? What was your entry price? I hope you guys don't hear me like eating like crazy. I'm just filling up my, I got a countertop reverse osmosis filter, living in an apartment over here, as you guys know. I am using countertop reverse osmosis instead of doing the whole thing under the sink. And I get a lot of fresh local food, fresh beef. I really like potatoes. I don't know what's really, you know what, Mo, you might have an answer for this. Like the strict carnivore diet. I don't know what kind of diet you have, but I eat potatoes, but I cook them in tallow. Wow. Gary Garrison, average. $29.33. Yeah, I'd say exit next time we hit 30,000, man. A lot of resistance overhead. A lot of overhead resistance. I think we're in the channel, and I think this channel is going to start to ping pong a bit more. I was going to say, Mo, are you on like the carnivore diet, like the strict carnivore diet? Okay. I was hmm. I was saying because I eat potatoes, but I cook them in tallow. And yeah, Gary, no problem, man. It's interesting, this range. To be honest, it was kind of crazy to see that much resistance overhead. It was really crazy. Some fresh reverse osmosis water. Delicious. Make sure you guys are drinking clean water, man. They're trying to poison us. The air, the water, food, everything they're trying to do to us is poison. Eat everything organic. Man, everything organic. Water, filtered. Reverse osmosis. Do not risk it, man. Look at this candle. Starting to get some move to the upside. Looks like I'm balling over here. Looking good. Man, I'm getting rich. That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't matter if you're paying for a hamburger or a house. Mo, I eat veggies and fruits, but I can do without most other carbs. I do like potatoes, rice. Man, I do love rice. Fresh bread. I used to make my own bread. I'm pretty sure I did that on camera a couple times on my old channel. Um, I don't do bread that much. I even when I make it, actually I could when I make it is probably a little better, but I have been getting like a little bit of heartburn at night when I eat bread. I tried some from the store the other day, and that was probably a bad idea. I probably should have just made it myself. I really do like tortillas and stuff like that. Once I let some women back in my life, I'll probably have them start making some shit. But for me, I just make my steak. I make my um I make my steak. Hold on. Let's see here. But let's see, Mexican Hasselhoff. I had a big bag of hot Cheetos on the weekend. Dude, Mexican Hasselhoff hot Cheetos are you know how fucking badly those things cross my mind and make me want to eat a whole bag. And you know what's even worse? I know that if I eat a bag right now with my body as clean and pure as it has been, fucking temple, I know that if I eat a bag of hot Cheetos, it's gonna blow my fucking face up, dude. It's gonna make me regret, sit and regret probably 6 times the next day. Just sit and meditate in contemplation and regret the decision. And even crazier out here, and they also had it in SoCal. They have they have extra hot Cheetos. I don't know if you've ever had those, but those are fucking bomb. It's like the equivalent of the hot Cheetos that we used to eat when we were in like elementary school. Real, the decent them back when the Cheetos were decent. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the black label Cheetos. Oh, you know what's up, dog. The black label Cheetos are so good. Yeah, Mo, I can't even drink alcohol I don't know what the fuck, man. Can't even drink a beer. It's probably for the better in the end of the day. I can't believe my whole show this morning, my Analytica show this morning, is completely fucking wiped. "15 seconds. All that work reduced to rubble." Um, Hot chips with lime. Hot sauce Valentina. Yeah, I actually have some Valentina in the fridge. Oh man. Oh, Mexican Hasselhoff, you're giving me heartburn, but I love it. It's my favorite kind of heartburn. It's Mexican spices. Um, Mo, this happened to me twice, and I don't think it's YouTube's problem. I think it's when I set up the Zoom and then I connect it to the YouTube, and then there's probably some sort of thing that happens where like YouTube is saying like when you press the go live button, maybe you have to wait on the page until it completely finishes or something. So it's happened to me like twice. Yeah, and yeah, everything hits you harder. I feel like when I get like as I'm getting older, coffee hits me harder. Weed hits me harder. That's why I can't smoke. I don't really like to smoke anymore. It's not fun to me. It doesn't make me have fun. It makes me just not happy. And yeah, just ton of shit like that. Ton of shit. But I also feel like they're poisoning our air, water, and food, so they're making us weaker in time as well. So really trying to find that thing that makes me stronger despite all these things trying to take us out. Well, looks like I'm stuck in a trade again. This thing's probably going to come back down, scrape the bottom. What do I do? What do I do? Let me take a look at the 1 minute RSI. This is the 5 minute going sideways. This is probably a good time to exit. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I'm going to take a partial profit, move one of these babies back down. All right. So many things in our society that make us weaker, both by design and as a result of our improved lifestyles. Yeah, I mean, convenience, right? Convenience has definitely been the one of the falls of man. Agree with you there, Mo. And they also like, look, we all know the truth. Farmer runs the business. Have every incentive to keep you sick. We know in this country laws are bought.
It's all designed to lower our test levels, lower our yeah. They look, if you want to take over an empire, make the military age males weak. Or kill them. Or kill everyone. Ah, they're fucking with us, man. Damn it, I really am sad about the Analytica. I'm sad because I've been doing a pretty decent job with my channel, It's just I've really been putting in the work. I've been really doing a lot of editing and all kinds of things that are helpful to make it grow fast and become more of a full-time job. And I feel like I'm putting in a lot of that good work. So it's just annoying when I get one show. Obviously, it's one show, but from that one show, that could be 4 different shorts that I cut it up into, and that can be 1,000 more views on shorts. That's a lot of views. I have some shorts that have been seen. The highest it looks like is 800 plus or minus, and they average probably around 100 or so. So it's just annoying for that reason. I really want to make this my, like, if it's possible. I do like streaming, I do like trading, I do like teaching. So if I can really make this work this time around, I would really prefer that. If I can do this for day in, day out, pay bills, that would be a good situation to me. Don't need much. Just want to freaking do this. Have a good time. Let's see here. I'm gonna eat a banana. BRB. Yeah. No, that's all I'm saying. It's just gonna take time, but I am putting in the work. I am putting in the work. Like, man, yeah, I'm growing faster this time around than I did last time. This time around, um, I'm doing more, editing and stuff like that. Nice little hammer on that 3. It's almost time for me to grab that cigar. Shit, one more banana. I don't know if you guys are aware of Man Code Rule 34, Section 3, but it clearly states never make eye contact with another man while eating a banana. Just be careful, guys. I know we all like bananas, but absolutely never want to be eating a banana in a scenario where you might accidentally make eye contact with another man. That's a big fail. Absolutely insane fail. Things you do want to do with fruit. You definitely want to have a fruit basket on your counter, and you definitely want to have a pineapple in it for when a lady walks in. You definitely want to have, let's see here. What are more rules? Look, if you eat a banana and you slice it up into little discs and then you eat it like that, sure, you can sit at a table and eat it like that around other men. But if you're talking about, oh, I peeled the banana and I stabbed it with the Bowie knife and I'm eating it, like that, then that's a little funky. If you cut it into little discs and you put it in a bowl with some honey and some sliced other fruits, definitely not just banana, but some honey and some sliced, pears and peaches or all that delicious stuff, then you're in the clear. But you just don't want to be sitting there peeling a banana all slow, looking at that thing, breaking off that little piece that you can't eat, and then looking another man in the eye and just taking a bite. I don't ever want to be in that situation with you, Mexican Hasselhoff. I don't. I just just eat it in the hotel room before you come out to the unconfiscatable conference. Like every time you go home to your hotel room, that's when you eat your banana, peel it, eat it nice and slow, however you like. But once you're heading back into the fray, meeting up with all the people, put that put that shit put that shit back. You really need to eat an emergency banana. You go in the bathroom, lock the door, eat a banana real quick. You know what? I'm gonna do something to make this. Nah, I'm just gonna make it easy. I'm bringing a cigar. Now you might be wondering why cigars aren't gay. That's because anything to do with fire and smoke is not gay. If anything, it's gay not to smoke, unless it's for religious purposes. I know for many of you, it may very well be. Damn it, I wish I got out of that. I should have been paying closer attention. So you guys, one of my little tricks of the trade is you exit when the RSI neutralizes, and I like to watch that happen. Uh, neutralizes, gets to 50, and once it does, that's probably a good time for you to get out the market for the scalp. For the scalp, keep in mind, I'm a scalper. I'm teaching you guys the Scalpy Joe moves. Um, if that's not your style, that's fine, but still take note of how Scalpy Joe does it. All right, let's see here. Man, it's hot out. What time is it? 12:57. Okay. Well, it's one of those days. Damn, I only slept a couple hours last night too. Totally thought I was gonna be struggling today. Let's see here. Met some hoes on Tinder. Yo, guys, I gotta be honest though. Wisconsin Tinder sucks. Wisconsin Tinder. How can I put this? 1 in 5 girls is slightly overweight. The rest are probably obese. Trust me, man. It's painful. I'm just trying to live a good life over here. I take good care of myself. I want to freaking deal with all that. Well, yeah, man. Wisconsin Tinder's tough, guys. Trust me. You probably don't want to come into Wisconsin for the ladies. Probably come for the beer. Probably come for the food and the cheese. Come for the good times. But the ladies, you might want to go to Miami for that, right? I mean, Mo, I don't know if you're allowed to comment on this, but Miami has some nice ladies. I like Miami ladies. Let us see here. Are we gonna round back up? Yeah. All right, let's get to comments. Um, oh yeah, you can come here. All right, bras and panties are optional there, even with see-through outfits. Yeah, man. Yeah, dude. Mo, I really did like Miami girls. I had a warm bed, man, pretty often there. I had some good times. I was going through the divorce too, and Miami was lit up. People were still out having fun. So it was good, man. Go out, bang some girls. Shit was good, man. Thought it was great. I really liked the Miami life. And also, this is the weird thing. Would I ever marry a woman that dresses in see-through clothes? No. Would I ever want my daughter to dress in see-through clothes? I would lock her in a tower, put perma fire around her for doing that. I would never ever let my daughter dress like that. If she got caught, she'd be fucking in big trouble. But when I go to Miami or I go to some of these places in the world and I see girls dressed like absolute prostitutes, I think to myself, you know what? It's kind of nice because I get to see the goods before I buy them, you know? Take a girl out, she might not be what you expect underneath all those layers of clothes. But you go to New York City where girls are trying to free the nipple and dress like absolute whores, like literal street whores did 50 years, like less, probably 20 years ago. Street whores probably still dress better than most the average New York City party girl. And you basically see her full body. You're like, all right, yeah, all right, I want to invest time and energy into that. Whereas, hey man, I've had times where I thought a girl was gonna be pretty decent, invest a lot of time and energy, and then man, you get disappointed in the end. You're like, oh shit, oof, that's she calls you and you're like, oh man, I'm busy that day. She calls you a little later and you're busy that day too. Yeah, next thing you know, you just don't talk as much anymore. Next thing, Hasselhoff, did you hear Justin Trudeau wife divorced him? Well, talking about that kind of stuff is definitely what will get me in trouble. And let's just say he probably has a small dick. But man, there's so much shit that I could rant about. You guys know that. Gotta take this channel a little more seriously. I'll talk shit on Twitter. Sucks. They put all this time and energy into something only to get canceled. Wouldn't want that. I definitely wouldn't want that. I was the last channel I had, yeah, I destroyed that one. I destroyed that one talking about the things I was talking about. And that was a channel that had five plus years worth of content. Gotta realize it hurts to think that my interview with McAfee is gone. And so many of these crazy moments in the market are gone. Watching my first stream and going, it was a year later, and seeing my cigar lounge where I did anything back before there was even insulation, drywall. I recorded many years of my life and I lost them all. So I got to be a little more tactful, tactile. Let's see here. Clear heels though. Yeah, dude, Miami girls are nice. And all these girls these days, man, they got dumbed down by something, man, because tell you, a lot of these girls, I would not want them to be my daughter or my wife. People are falling much more easily to the will of Satan in today's day and age. Most unfortunate. So, just so we can talk about the trade for a sec, what we're hoping for is a higher low, particularly like right around here. This would be a great higher low. Oh man. Yeah, we got a nice screen clip up there. Hopefully this is the bottom action. Starting to look like it. Hey, maybe I'm getting my touch back. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm just chilling here, waiting for comments to get me to talking again. I used to talk so much my cigar would freaking run out and I'd have to light it again. It's crazy. Time changes. Getting old. Gonna see. Can someone comment on something, please, real quick? Just you know, I can't actually. All right, looks like chat is running strong. Chat is good. Emojis are flashing across the screen. Live chat, bam. All right, there we go. Hopefully that was the bottom. When we start scraping our way back up to where my exits are, chances are this time around we'll go a little higher. If that's a higher low, then we'll be expecting a higher high. So I might need to move my orders up a tiny bit, but I'm not trying to get greedy right now. Just trying to trade, make sure I got my touch. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I'm just, right now I'm trading to make sure I'm a trader. You never, I don't think, if you get the skills, it's like riding a bike twice, I know you guys have heard of me, you've known me for a while. I don't know if some of you guys know that I've done some great shit trading. Won a trading competition, going sideways in the market. I traded a perfect, I think I made 36 for 36 profitable trades. All winners. I pitched a perfect game on the halving 2020. In front of everyone. In fact, it was on Tone's stream, and his anniversary of that stream came up on my feed the other day. And I remember people were placing bets on when I would pass out because I was smoking so much cigars. Back then, I was easily smoking 6 cigars a day, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Back then, I was a smoker and a half. Not to mention whatever else was in the mix. Getting nice and brown out here, man. Sun, Wisconsin sun. It's pretty nice. It hits, but it doesn't beat the shit out of you. So what do we got? Make sure you take some deep breaths every day. I think very few people actually take very good, calm, deep breaths every day, even 10, you know. Tio, let me ask you this, Tio. When was the last time you took 10 deep breaths?
Most of us go through our day-to-day life panting and we don't even realize it. How often do you have all your muscles relaxed and you're just taking deep breaths? Yo, Jolly V, Hyundai La Long, bro. I'm actually in a long right now. Hyundai La Long. Good to see you, Jolly V. Great to see you. I'm in a long right now. I have two parts of exit, 2 points of exit. Yeah, Jolly V. Dude, I'm happy. I'm happy with the people that I know that have been here a long time. I met Mo in real life. That was really great. Um, Mo, do you smoke cigars? I don't think you smoked cigars back then for sure. There's some black, nasty looking thing that looks like it's pissed. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Hyundai La Long. Yeah, we've had some fun streams. It used to be so much more fun, the streams. I have a sign on my desk to remind me, white paper with blue font that says breathe. Yeah, Mo. How often do people fill up all their lungs with breath while relaxed? Holy shit, this sun is mad right now, dude. You guys, I take everything I said back. This is a hot, stinking sun. Cloud just moved out the way or some shit. Now I'm getting beat. Okay. Yeah, I like cigars the most. I probably miss inhaling some greenery, but I miss cigars. I mean, I smoke cigars the most by far. Bull Run vibe. Oh yeah, we'll get them back. Bull Run, that's what it was. Everyone's happy in a Bull Run. Everyone's around. Yeah, you're right. You're 100% right, man. Interesting. Uh-oh, maybe this wasn't the bottom. I'm hoping this is the higher low, and then we can go scrape out my exits, two of my exits at least. Delev the position, add some left back down low, fiddle with my entrance price, add capital to the overall um, portfolio margin, lower my risk of liquidation by adding profit within a trade. Got the freaking sun is in a bull market right now. Good times. Trade gone long. Jolly V, where's your entry? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we're scraping a little low here. This should be a higher low. Should clean me out. That's the hope, but I also think it's legitimate hope. Close me out of a couple of these positions. D-love me 50%. Swing down low for another entry. Swing back up. Neutral RSI. Exit 50%. I'll take that trade all day, man. I'll take that trade all day. I might nod out. If I close my eyes for 5 minutes, I might leave the stream for the trade and I'll just get back into it. Trade life, man. Volatility, man. Where are you? Fortunately, I was awake for that dump. A lot of the time, volatility's around most when you're asleep. All right. Yep. Back another red candle. Scraping. Oof. Sharp red candle. Put out this cigar for a little bit. Go inside. Might play some Cyberpunk 2077.
That's one thing I miss as well. Smoking in my cigar lounge. Smoking in my cigar lounge is good. We're running for the bottom again. My break even is right there. Let's see if we have signals.
Do we have signals is the question.
Lots and lots of them.
How's this sound, guys? Can you still hear me okay? I put my headphones in my controller so I can play some shit to stay awake. Lots of signals still. All right, thanks. Yeah, I just have my computer now. Got the headphones, put them in my controller so you guys don't hear all that jazz. I'm so tired. So we got a local lower low, not my ideal scenario, but I am taking this one by touch. Sound is good. A lot of signals still. That's really good. Ride and break even, always tough. Sound is good. Chilling. Yeah, it's gonna make me, it's gonna punish me a bit. Couldn't give me an easy way out on this one. Don't trade trading personally, but it is a son of a bitch.
I'm just chilling. If you guys have anything you want to throw in there, I know a lot of you are just chilling too. I'm just saying, just making it known. If you have anything you want to discuss. Damn, below my entry now. Still got signals down here. Looking on my other chart. Other monitor. Could have gotten out and G-leved, got a little greedy. I am in an active long. Stuck.
Still a high or low, but it's not where I was hoping it would be. Oh yeah, let's see. I don't know what you mean by recharge, but we're coming back up. No, I'm not gonna add anything yet. If anything, I'm gonna subtract first and then I'll add. Oh, wait, it'll be better for me to exit the position in a little bit and then lev and stuff like that. No need to add. That's a good sweep back up though. That's a great candle to really express the fact that buyers are pretty sturdy. Starting to make some moves back. This is good news. It's going to take a little time. Trading is a lot about being patient, especially when the market is
not doing much for you, you know? Market isn't really enthusiastic right now. Hank up. Yeah, that was still a higher low, but would have been nice to delev a little bit of my position, add it back. That's perfection. And I like perfection. A little bit of breathing room. Could this drop have been from the charges against Binance for fraud? Nah, probably not. What do they say in Binance did fraud wise? I think this is just this one didn't seem as nasty as the other trades, so can't really say this one is like really tied to like the massive whale stunt we have going on.
Okay, Jolly V says Binance could face fraud charges by the DOJ, but prosecutors worry about potentially spurring a bank run on the exchange similar to what led to FTX collapse last November, according to a Wednesday's report by online publication Semaphore. Binance, who I've never heard of. Binance is weighing alternatives such as fines and deferred or non-prosecution agreements to mitigate harm for consumers. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I never heard of them. It just sounds like a load of horse shit for now. Burden of proof is on them. I think at this point in the cycle, almost all of BTC crypto that is still on exchanges should only be for trading. Yeah, I mean, dude, it's risky. It's risky. I think you should always have custody, and I agree with you. Basically, don't let it out of your custody unless you're going to sell some or actively trade. But that's a whole nother ball game right there. I hope investors took them off exchanges into cold wallets. Yeah, I do hope that too, but I don't know. That's a good one. I don't know. I don't know if people have ones that don't. Like, you definitely don't want to have any on the exchange that's like, I don't know, like there for a rainy day. Like, even if you need to sell it and you're worried that you'll need to sell it one day, you could still just keep it in your private wallet and then you're 10 minutes away from sending it to an exchange. One Tone is live. Nice. Yeah, Tone is been one of the longest YouTube guys I've known. He's always been around. Ever since I started, Tone was the first. Law review. Yeah, well, you guys, the law doesn't matter. The law doesn't matter if you have enough money. And they're saying Richard Hart took how much billions of people's money? And you want to try to tell me that he doesn't have enough money to create the absolute best legal defense, better than even Ripple? Yeah, Richard Hart's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm just chilling in the trade out cubes. I mean, hopefully, would have been nice to get out up there. I put my order in a little late. Would have been nice to get out up there. I'm just doing a long, steady stream here, active trade. Let you guys know what's up. You guys have anything you want to ask? Don't hesitate. Hopefully, we get two of these fills in a quick sweep to the upside. Climbing. Climbing slowly, halfway to my first take profit from my break even. Long, slow trade days. Boring trading life. Got 8 people chilling. If you guys have anything you want to bring up, don't hesitate. Kind of wish there's more to talk about. We'll get to the good old lounge days once the bull market comes back, like Jollibee said. Summer dog days. Yep. The summer doggity dog days. It's beautiful out, that's for sure. It's beautiful out. I'm just tired. Or a side neutral on the 3 minute again. Ugh. I'm just over here chopping down NPCs, playing my game. Really not much to do, guys. Ouch. Let's get my fill. Getting real close. It is a higher low. It's also a horizontal resistance area. We might be a little too slow to get this fill right now. Book is looking a little tight. 16.9 pack just sold. Or sorry, was just bought. So that might be the kicker to push a couple of sellers on their heels. Give me a little candle to the upside. Cash Bundy, what's up, man? I'm just chilling. I'm in my position. Nothing special. Just really some boring time. But hey, I figured I'd try to trade today again. And fortunately, as another signal. That's ideal. I am good. Going to Spain tomorrow. Beautiful, man. What's in Spain? What's bringing you out there? Vacation. What's up? That's what's up. Sounds beautiful, man. I'm happy you're going out and seeing the world. It's a beautiful world out there. I haven't traveled in a long time. I think I will. I think I will sooner than later. Probably say that without meaning it, but I'll be going to like Bitcoin events and stuff like that. That's definitely something I'll be doing. I've never been to Spain before. Have I been to Europe even? I don't think so. Come on, give me this little candle move up. Yep, some buyers are sweeping the book right now. Giving us a 419, 4.19 pack, a 1.16 pack. Some good money. Some good money right there. Yeah, so you won't be often in the stream. Okay, so you won't. Yeah. Well, I'll miss you, man. Right now, it's a small, intimate group. Small, intimate group of us, people that have known each other for quite some time. RSI is a little high right now, too, on that 3-minute chart. Man, I might be taking a nap soon. I don't want to have to set a stop loss right now, though, and I don't like sleeping without one. We're getting so close, an inch away. IWEC, there is one thing that could lead to the crash, and it just opened. Monthly pivot levels started above price. BTC pumped into that level. And rejected. Last time that happened was the COVID dump. I don't want to dismiss that. I don't want to dismiss anything. But the COVID dump was a very isolated incident. Also, my observations, EWEX says, is that bear market gives 2 times 50% dump. Yeah. Yeah, all right, I could live with that. But I also think we got to go higher first. I mean, we don't got to do anything, but it would make sense. Good call. Well, yeah, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. I think we go up a little bit higher though. That's one thing I was thinking, was that we'd make it closer to 50K. In my ideal world, we would have gone all the way up to 50. We would have gone all the way back to 20. Let's see, it's 2:30. All right, I'm gonna take a nap. Go shut this down. All right, ladies and gents, gonna wrap it up here now. Thanks so much for tuning in. had a long show trying to catch some trades. We'll see what we can get in the future. But for now, let's wrap it up and enjoy the middle of the day. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll be catching you on the next one. Peace.